Learn English with English Thing Lab.
Hi everyone, I'm Jack. Today we are going to talk about a very powerful way to improve your English. Maybe you study grammar, maybe you learn new words. But when you want to speak, it's still hard. If you feel like this, today's episode is for you.
Yes, because today we are talking about shadowing. It sounds like a big word, but don't worry. It is actually very simple. Shadowing means you listen to English and you speak at the same time. Not later, not after. You speak together with the speaker.
Exactly. Imagine this. You play a short audio. A person says, I wake up at 7 every day. And you repeat it immediately at the same time. You don't wait. You don't translate. You just follow the voice.
It's like you become the shadow of the speaker. You stay very close to the sound. You try to copy the voice, the rhythm, and the pronunciation. Not perfect, just close.
And this is very different from normal practice. Many learners listen first, then they stop, then they repeat. That is okay, but it is slow. Shadowing is more active, your brain works faster.
Yes, and at the beginning it can feel a little strange. Maybe you miss some words, maybe you feel confused. That's normal. You don't need to understand every word, just keep going.
That's very important. Don't stop. If you miss one word, continue with the next one. Shadowing is not about being perfect. It's about training your mouth and your brain to work together.
Think about how children learn language. They don't study grammar first. They listen and they repeat again and again. Shadowing is very similar.
Yes, and that's why it is so powerful. You don't only learn words, you learn how English sounds in real life. You learn the music of the language.
I like that. The music of English. Because English is not only words, it has rhythm. And shadowing helps you feel that rhythm. It makes your speech more natural.
So let's say it again very simply. Shadowing means listen and speak at the same time. Follow the speaker, don't stop, and don't think too much.
Yes, keep it simple. Listen, speak, continue. That's it.
In the next part, we will talk about why shadowing really works.
And how it can change your speaking very fast.
Stay with us. All right, now you know what shadowing is? It sounds simple, maybe even too simple. So the question is, does it really work?
Yes, that's the important question. Because many people try different methods apps, books, videos, but still, when they want to speak, they feel stuck. They know English, but they can't use it.
Exactly. And shadowing helps with this problem because it is not only learning, it is training. You train your mouth, your ears, and your brain all together.
Let's start with the first big benefit. Shadowing helps you speak faster and more naturally. When you repeat at the same time, you don't have time to think too much. You just speak.
And that is very important. Many learners translate in their head, they think in their language, and then try to speak in English. This makes speaking slow and difficult.
But with shadowing, you skip that step. You hear English and you produce English. No translation, just direct speaking.
The second benefit is pronunciation. When you shadow, you copy real sounds, not only words, but how the words connect.
Yes, because in real English, words don't sound separate. People don't say, I am going to do it. They say, I'm going to do it.
Exactly. And when you shadow, you start to feel these connections. Your pronunciation becomes more natural and without thinking too much about rules.
Another important benefit is confidence. Many learners are afraid to speak. They think, what if I make a mistake?
Yes, that fear stops them.
But in shadowing, you are not alone. You speak with the audio. It feels safer.
You are not creating sentences by yourself. You are following, so your brain relaxes.
And step by step, you get used to speaking. Your mouth becomes more comfortable with English.
Also, shadowing improves your listening because you need to hear clearly to follow the speaker.
Yes, you start to notice small details sounds, rhythm, speed. Everything becomes clearer.
So let's look at the big picture. Shadowing helps you speak faster. It improves your pronunciation. It builds your confidence. And it makes your listening stronger.
All of that from one simple method.
That's why many advanced learners use shadowing.
And the best part, you don't need anything special, just audio and your voice.
Simple but powerful.
In the next part, we will show you exactly how to do shadowing step by step.
So you can start today.
Stay with us.
All right. Now you know what shadowing is and why it works. So the next question is, how do you actually do it? Don't worry, it is very simple. You don't need special tools, just your phone and your voice.
Yes, but you need to do it the right way because many people try shadowing once and then stop. They say, it's too fast. I can't follow. So let's break it into clear steps.
Step 1 is very easy. First, just listen. Play a short audio, maybe 20 to 30 seconds. Don't speak yet. Just listen carefully.
Yes, this step is important. Try to understand the general idea. You don't need to understand every word, just get the feeling of the sentence.
Step 2, listen again. But this time, pay attention to the sound. How does the speaker talk? Is it fast? Slow? Where did they pause?
Exactly. Notice the rhythm. English has a natural flow. Some words are strong, some are soft. Try to feel that rhythm.
Now, step 3. This is where shadowing starts. Play the audio again and speak at the same time.
Yes, together with the speaker, not after, at the same time. Even if it feels difficult, just try.
At first, you will not be perfect. You may miss words. You may feel a little lost. That's okay.
Very important. Don't stop. If you miss one word, continue. Stay with the audio.
Think of it like running next to someone. If you fall a little behind, you try to catch up. You don't stop the whole run.
That's a great way to see it. Just keep moving forward.
Step 4. Repeat the same audio again. 2 times, 3 times, even 5 times.
Each time it becomes easier. Your mouth remembers the sounds. Your brain becomes faster.
And step 5. Try it one more time, but louder and more confident.
Yes, don't be shy. Speak clearly. Use your voice. Even if you are alone, speak like you are talking to someone.
That's very important for real speaking.
So let's quickly review the steps.
First, listen.
Second, listen again and notice the sound.
Third, speak at the same time.
Fourth, repeat.
And fifth, speak with confidence.
Simple steps, but very powerful.
Also start with short and easy audio. Don't choose something too fast or too difficult.
Yes, level A2 or simple conversations are perfect.
And practice a little every day. Even 10 minutes is enough.
Consistency is more important than time.
In the next part, we will practice together.
Yes, real shadowing practice with us.
So you can try it right now.
Stay with us.
All right. Now it's time to practice together. This is the most important part. Don't just listen, speak with us.
Yes, this is your moment. We will speak slowly and clearly. Try to follow us at the same time. Don't wait. Just repeat with us.
Okay, let's start easy. Take a deep breath and begin.
I wake up at 7 every day.
I wake up at 7 every day.
I feel a little tired in the morning.
I feel a little tired in the morning.
I drink coffee and check my phone.
I drink coffee and check my phone.
Now let's connect the ideas.
Listen and repeat.
I wake up at 7 every day and I feel a little tired.
I wake up at 7 every day and I feel a little tired.
I drink coffee and then I check my phone.
I drink coffee and then I check my phone.
Good. Keep going.
Now a little longer.
In the morning, I wake up at 7, drink coffee, and get ready for the day.
In the morning, I wake up at 7, drink coffee, and get ready for the day.
Don't worry if it's not perfect. Just stay with the sentence.
Now let's try something about work.
I go to work at 8 and start my day with emails.
I go to work at 8 and start my day with emails.
I talk to my coworkers and take a short break.
I talk to my coworkers and take a short break.
Niece, keep your voice clear.
Now afternoon.
In the afternoon, I feel a little tired, but I finish my tasks.
In the afternoon, I feel a little tired, but I finish my tasks.
After work, I go for a walk and relax.
After work, I go for a walk and relax.
Great job! Let's do one longer sentence.
Listen carefully and follow.
After work, I go home, eat dinner, and relax before I go to sleep.
After work, I go home, eat dinner, and relax before I go to sleep.
Very good.
Now, one more time. A little more natural.
After work, I go home, eat dinner, and relax before I go to sleep.
After work, I go home, eat dinner, and relax before I go to sleep.
If this feels easier now, that means it's working.
Yes, your mouth is learning. Your brain is faster.
And this is exactly what shadowing does.
In the next part, we will go a little faster.
And we will show you how to practice every day.
Stay with us. All right, now you already tried shadowing with us. Slow, clear, step by step. But in real life, people don't always speak slowly.
Yes, real conversations are faster. So now we will do something a little more challenging. Not too fast, but more natural.
Don't worry, you are ready for this. Just stay with the voice and don't stop.
Okay, let's try.
I wake up at 7, drink coffee, and get ready for work.
I wake up at 7, drink coffee, and get ready for work.
I go to work, check my emails, and start my tasks.
I go to work, check my emails, and start my tasks.
In the afternoon, I feel tired, but I finish my work.
In the afternoon, I feel tired, but I finish my work.
After work, I go home, eat dinner, and relax.
After work, I go home, eat dinner, and relax.
Before I sleep, I brush my teeth and think about my day.
Before I sleep, I brush my teeth and think about my day.
Good. If this felt a little difficult, that's perfect.
Yes, because this is how you improve. Not too easy, not too hard.
Now let's talk about how to practice every day.
Because one time is not enough. You need a simple routine.
Here is a very easy plan. Only 10 to 15 minutes a day.
First, choose a short audio, something easy around your level.
Second, listen one time.
Third, listen again and start shadowing.
Repeat the same audio 3 to 5 times.
And then stop. That's enough.
You don't need 1 hour. Short and regular practice is better.
Also, don't try to be perfect. Focus on speaking, not thinking.
And one more tip. Use your voice. Speak clearly and little loud.
Yes, don't whisper. Your mouth needs real practice.
If you do this every day, you will see progress.
Maybe not in one day, but in 1 week. Yes.
And in 1 month, a big difference.
Your speaking will be faster. Your pronunciation will be better.
And most importantly, you will feel more confident.
So start today, not tomorrow.
Even 5 minutes is okay.
Just begin.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
We hope this helped you.
See you in the next episode.
Keep practicing and enjoy your English.